Hello guys, hello everyone. Alright, we are in the island of Saba and this is the Air Force One taking off right now from this island. Amazing Air Force One from President of the United States of America. Right, we are going to take off right now. We need a lot of power because this runway is short. So we need a lot of power guys. So let's see the takeoff. At least this aircraft has 4 engines, so make it better to the power of takeoff. A very short runway, so let's see guys. Alright guys, full power, let's go. Amazing takeoff. Very powerful aircraft guys. That was a nice takeoff. Look at the Air Force One. Alright, let's watch it closer. There he goes. Nice view of this takeoff. Beautiful island, short runway. This is the Air Force One Boeing 747 of the US President. Look this amazing view guys. We are in the island of Saba. Beautiful day. A lot of raining. Alright, now the president is leaving the area here of the island. Amazing view guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this takeoff. I see you guys next time. Stay safe for now. Thank you and bye bye. Take care.